bor baban kisngi awan lam shipi da unang yalam ni
Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad Kisangma Ulale Shikajingalang Asen Arjara Apundrew Kabalong Hakat Artrik Nailar Hakajaka Pule MATI Hamoding Yang Shilong Kikubor Kibakongsan Hakani Kajilang Kajingarap Pisa Pynkup Burom Ryngkat Kibasan Po Hajar Sha Ki Ngut Kisamla Pule Kibalapas Yaka UPSC Preliminary Exam Kathong Vision Menteri Rangba ulang baka sorkar kakwa banbu kathong kabaskem banyera pikisamna ki bajob haki exam kum ka UPSC batkiwe ka digital learning lab lapli ka digital learning lab kabathamai ka office jongka MATI ka jingkren no Menteri Rangba ka sap jongka jela mekhala kamduna haka sap ulong nrai ka don kam ye ka jingkershan bat ka jingyalam ka babyang ka jingthmu jongka sorkar kum ka program star hai kamelekai bat ka CM aspire ban penkrai eki samla ban job biki exam ki behe UCM ulakhor ro eki pajba ban ai ka jingmod kumno ban penbha shu ye ka pukum kini ki program
giving a direction to the vision and the idea that we have all been thinking about and trying to achieve in the past many years. But as correctly mentioned by every speaker before me, the problem most likely lies in providing that ecosystem, in bringing the stakeholders together, creating the correct environment, guiding our students and the aspirants in the correct way, and helping them to be able to achieve that goal at a personal level and also the goal for us as a state. About 5 years back, we had started a program in the sports department. That program was called the STAR program. And the idea of that program, which I must say is very similar to what we are doing here, is to be able to, as I said, provide that ecosystem. We realized that in sports, again, we have huge talent. But there is no way in which this talent could have been nurtured, could have been given a better platform. So under the STAR program, we actually went to villages, did a screening of almost about 30,000 youths, some of them who have never even worn a running shoe in their life, never seen the different kind of tests that we conducted, and only to realize that we were able to pick out about 10 what we call at a global level super athletes from our villages. And when I say super athletes, these are individuals who are among the top 1% of talent at the global level. So we have started to put this as a process for us. Set big targets, set a vision, set a goal. But after we do that, I have realized in the past 8 years now that that vision has to be backed by a solid team that can then make that vision into practical goals and steps forward. That I want to serve the people. I told myself myself that I want to be able to make a difference in people's lives. I told myself that even one person, if I can help, it will give me a sense of satisfaction. That purpose that I decided very, very long ago drives me till today. We want the culture of sports in Meghalaya. We want the culture of innovation in Meghalaya. We want the culture of STEM in Meghalaya. We want the culture of entrepreneurship in Meghalaya. It's not that we're doing this in a one kind of just angle. Somebody may just think that, oh yeah, suddenly CM just woke up and he wants to do this. No, it's a system we're creating in every level. Whether it's an entrepreneurship ecosystem, whether it's a musician's ecosystem, whether it's a sports ecosystem, whether it's for competitive exams ecosystem. The same formula, the same structure is what we're trying to now replicate in different areas. And this is something that we want to do. We are targeting in the next couple of years, I hope it happens this year, but the next couple of years, we should have our youngsters, our aspirants clear the UPSC. This is what we want. And we want many, many more. We want this to happen. It's not about just, one of our students aspirants was mentioning about Meghalaya and the thing. It's not just that. We want our youth from Meghalaya to contribute to nation building. Can you imagine in the days to come, some thank you or Lingo or Samba will be the Home Secretary of Government of India. Can you imagine the pride that we will feel and remember this day? It's not about just, having our own DC or thing. Yes, they will have that. They will go through that process. But I see that as the next stations for us. That is the kind of aspiration, goals that we should work with. We should push us to make this happen. And I get goosebumps thinking about this, that one day the Cabinet Secretary or the Home Secretary of Government of India will be from Meghalaya. We will motivate, we will create the ecosystem and push the system to that level where people who think we can't do it, we will prove them wrong. I once again wish you all the very best, especially our 7 aspirants who have cleared the prelims, and of course all others who are here right now who are aspiring to move forward. And as again said, it's not about just one exam. Please remember, Swapnil has mentioned to you, there are 20, 30 such exams. There's so much of scope where people are not even aware about. Let us learn about that. Let us figure that out, create the ecosystem, provide the platform, give the opportunity and all the support, and let's make this happen. Wishing you all the very best for the future. May God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. But some of them are very close to even breaking national records. And they never knew this. These are talents in the villages. And they had no support. There was no ecosystem. Today they are brought to Shillong. They are given the education. We are giving them the right nutrition. We're giving them the right psychological and counseling and the psychological training that is required. Obviously the physical therapy, the physiotherapy and all the physical activities that are required. And training them with very, very good coaches. Combining that with programs in which we are sending them for a certain period to Center of Excellence at the national level. And for a certain period, going to send them to Center of Excellence at a global level. I went through this in 1999 when I was trying to set up my company. Not a single entrepreneur I could get in touch with, I swear. And I felt so lonely that nobody, no system was in place. That memory and that feeling is so deep even today that I said I will not let other entrepreneurs go through this when I get the chance to make a difference. And that's what drove and brought in Prime.
barrister manners and Banman Lang War London. And receive your certificate.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Anna can be time.
So we can record also, sir, if you want to give.
Thank you. 2, 3. One more.
บันยอเอกิคุบอนบมันกสงีสุ่มหาวัน subscribe กับ channel อุนน้องเยลัง news คุณเลยชิบ